buckle down, keep it hushed now, come on the ground, everybody's looking for you now. And they're hunting you down in your own town, they're trying to chase you out, and who knows what you've done now. Yeah, you look a little thin, I bet you run quick, race down to block 26, they'd never go for it. Hold your breath for the countdown, yeah, it starts now. I'll tell you when to let go of it. Let go. How could you walk away from me after all of what we said we'd be? Broken beyond repair, I'm the bird around your neck. You go act like you don't know my name. How dare you cast your spell on me? You've been careful not to set me free. I would never turn you down or try and shut you out. Take me back to when I once was your brain. I feel the soil is still warm from the night before, where we had it out. What was it all for? What was it all for? And I am left with the darkness of your eyes, and we both know it comes as no surprise.
Hey y'all, SkedeWalker here. Hey Aiden, how are you, buddy? So, I'm back. Oh hey, Honey Baloney. Am I saying it right? Thank you so much for following today. I appreciate that so much, friend. Let me know if you have a different name I should call you by. Happy to call you by the name you tell me. Anyways, I hope both of you are doing good. I am back. For the next 2-3 days, I'm actually going to be working on a Web3 project that I'm a part of, because I actually have a demo day coming up on Wednesday, and I need to get some pages done for that. Yeah, and after that, I'm going to work on the stream visuals for sure. I know it's like a long time coming. I'm definitely going to be working on the stream visuals. Awesome, Jacob. Got it. Nice to meet you, Jacob. We have met in DesignCo a few times? Man, I'm curious now. I think I remember you. I cannot remember your face, but I do remember the name Jacob. Oh man. Can you whisper me your LinkedIn profile so I can just remember? Because I feel you seem so familiar. Oh man, it's been a while. DesignCo. I loved my time at DesignCo, to be honest. Let me actually change the music to beats. I think that would be better. But today's gonna be very like chill stream, working on visuals and all that. Oh, you were buds with Adam and Stacy? That's awesome. Yeah, I'm sure like we've met and stuff. It's just like Jacob. Oh yeah, Jacob. Yes, I think I do remember you. I need to just make sure. Oh my god, yes, Jacob. It's been a minute, dude. How are you? No, okay, that's where your name comes on. Okay, got it. Han. Man, it's been a minute. How are you? How are you doing? How did you know I was streaming? Was it through LinkedIn that you found out? Oh my god, I'm like so happy to see you, man. Aiden, how are you doing? Did the COVID test come negative as always? You're working in Bay right now? That's awesome. Where do you work right now? I mean, I could check the LinkedIn, honestly. I just haven't done it. Ah, okay, okay. It's through LinkedIn. Got it. Let's see. I'm stalking you right now. Okay. Merlin Solar Technology. I mean, Khalil, I didn't know you were gonna like end the stream and, and all that, but honestly, the stream you did pick, that was pretty cool. I was there for like a minute or two. Oh man, your sister has COVID? That's sad, Aiden. Is she self isolating then? Nice, a solar startup. That's awesome. How do you like it right now? Like I'm just getting started with finding jobs. Today I officially announced on LinkedIn that I'm looking for product design jobs and all that. I've been working extensively on my what's called case study for the past month and a half, and so I'm finally like done with 2 of the case studies. I have my portfolio up and things are like looking good. Let me see something real quick. Okay, command add website Skede's current website is awesome. I'm just adding that command for now. Awesome. So yeah, today we're just gonna work on like a Web3 project and all those things. Aiden, he was called Jacob is also a software developer. Okay, it's all right. How long have you been like working in the startup for? Oh, since last year actually. I ask you a question and then I look at your LinkedIn. Yeah, I get that. I get that a lot actually. It's not working. Let me see. That's weird. It just opened for me. Okay, it's working. Okay, that's good. For a second, I had a heart attack. Oh man, it's okay, Khalil. It's okay. Okay, you're gonna take tomorrow off, Aiden? Mostly engineering data stuff. Do you like software development and all that? Like, I'm so new to that field, so I'm not even sure like what exactly to expect. So I mean, I'm just curious, like, what do you think about your like, you know, doing engineering stuff and data stuff all the time? I've actually been meeting a lot of software developers recently, which is absolutely great. I'm actually starting to learn front-end web development starting May, which I'm like so excited for. But before that, I'm going to actually try to master Webflow in the coming weeks. Okay, you're not in software develop. Okay. Okay, development engineer. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Where did I see develop? I don't know. I thought I saw software development. My bad. All right, so it's development engineer. Got it. Ah, okay. Okay. Research environment. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I barely know about this, so if I like mess things up, I really apologize. Oh, man, it's really been a minute. I'm so happy that I'm able to catch up with you now. Anything fun you've been doing? All good, Khalil. Thank you so much for stopping by, buddy. I really appreciate you as always. That's your breakfast for tomorrow. Nice. Nice, nice, Khalil. Okay, let me set 1 or 2 things up real quick. But yeah, the stream visuals are gonna happen just after Wednesday because till Wednesday I'm a little busy with the project. And then Thursday I might not stream because I actually have a doctor's appointment. Is a case study framework complete? Nope, this is not what I need. Okay, let's see, right here. KarmaDAO, got it. Thank you, Khalil. Oh, you adopted a cat? That's awesome. Do you have a name for your cat yet? And how is the Bay Area? Like, I'm planning on moving there by the end of this year. Like, probably in like September or something, I'm thinking. After I get a job, like save some money and then like move to Bay Area basically. That's kind of like my hopes. I mean, Aiden, if you want to, I think that's great because you are mod for like a lot of people, and I'm sure you're the Discord admin for many people. I think that could be something that could be great to brag about on Polywork or LinkedIn, either. Man, I'm excited. I know it's gonna be kind of expensive for sure, but I'm really excited, especially because like the market is hot. So it's like it's not even like we're not gonna get paid enough. Like even as a product designer, I have a certain salary in mind that I've been like looking at, like I've been researching salaries and stuff. So I feel like I'll be okay in most cases. I'm SkedeWalker LLC. Sorry, you gotta just put mine there. I mean, sure, go ahead, Aiden. I think SkedeWalker LLC sounds better for sure. But yeah. Yeah, Khalil actually just adopted a black cat too, and he's going to be naming him pretty soon as well. And then he has another white cat. His name is Floki. He's super cute and everything. Khalil like streams and he's like amazing. Let me see. Do I have Khalil's? Let me actually. Oh, yeah, I could do this. TG Khalil. Let's see, does this work? Yes, it works. So yeah, Khalil streams and stuff, and he's like awesome. He does co-working streams and all that, and I love his cats, Floki and stuff. Even though I'm scared of cats, like I enjoy seeing Floki and the black cat as well. I think I'm gonna adopt a dog later down the line. I really want a dog. Let me turn on the fan real quick. It's getting really hot in here. Yeah. But yeah, Khalil is one of my like great friends, like one of my best friends, I would say. I really appreciate Khalil all the time. But yeah, I know it's not necessary, but I want to. It means a lot to me. Okay, let me change my screen, and it's I don't know if we should have timer or not. I really don't care about timers today. I think I really just want to chill stream with y'all, and also like do some work in the meantime. Before I do work, let me actually check something real quick. Also, Aiden, I actually sent I sent my portfolio over to the Zeta Chain recruiter. I'm guessing I should hear back in a day or two from them to know like what's going on and all that. Awesome. I was just mentioning. They do have a Discord. Let me see. Is it open as well? Discord list. Oh, why am I seeing Discord? Is it Karma? Oh my god. KarmaDAO. But yeah, I've been getting into this Web3 stuff. It's very like fascinating to me, especially like blockchain technology and all that. So here is Discord. I think it is right as well. Let me see. Yes, it is right. Awesome. And I could paste this. You're my community manager? Sure. You can be my community manager, buddy. Excited. I mean, Aiden, you could probably put February if you want. I think like you've been here since January or even probably January or February. So like you can put it before March 1st too. Like I have no problem with that. But yeah, I gotta work on the website right now. We're working on the DGAP that goes inside the websites for Web3. So right now we're working on the internal stuff, and then we'll work on this website and revamping this and stuff as well. I think we'll have like a launch within like 4 to 6 months as well, which would be great for sure. But this week we actually have demo day coming up on Wednesday, and there's some pages I need to get done. So that's kind of like the plan. Change name requester to something else. Oh yeah. Let me actually. It's below. Oh, let me change this. Bye, Khalil. Take care, buddy. Get some great sleep, and I will see you later. Okay, buddy? Peace. Awesome. Yeah, feel free to like put any questions you want and all that. But yeah, I joined this I think about 2-3 months ago, and I'm the lead product designer in this, and it's just like it's really interesting stuff. You're learning about Web3 and like working with so many developers and all that. It's a new experience for me, but it's actually really cool experience. Like the people are so nice, and I ask a lot of stupid questions basically because I need to understand a lot of things as a designer. And they're just super like nice about it. Like they're okay with me asking questions and all that, and like that's what I want. You know, wherever I work, like hey, I could easily ask questions and like they don't have a problem with it. Things like that. Just making sure that this is fine. So 24, I think 48 would be fine here. Okay, awesome. Alright, you gotta go from here. You gotta go here too. Yes, I like that. I like that, Aiden. Jacob, are you like looking for like new jobs as well, or are you like pretty happy with like where you are right now? Because you did say that, you know, it's paying your bills and it's great and all that. So I'm just curious because obviously I'm entering the job market, so I want to know other people's experiences, like just with like job culture and everything like that. Yeah, you do that, Aiden. Okay, this is fine for now. You can make Polywork look active. Are you gonna put Khalil's stuff too now? Oh, now you changed to March 26th? Okay. Alright, let me actually, later on I'll make Polywork. Also, I still have to check Habitica out, Aiden. I haven't had a chance to look into it because I was just taking a break over the weekend after I was done with everything, like the website and all that stuff. Oh, I said if you want, you could even make it February and stuff. Ah, okay. Jacob, do you have like any leads on if you would still like to work in the engineering place, like as engineer and all that, or would you like to work as some other like designer, developer, something like something else? Like, do you have any ideas right now? Okay, let's see. Nice. He not bad. He's working on it. There's some things we can make better, and this is just not that good right now. I wonder if it needs like a different color. I'll work on that later. Penalty is this test. Oh, dude, Jacob, that's fine if you don't have a portfolio done. If you want to like look into those stuff, do it. Like, I'll be happy to help you whatever I can, and you have, I'm sure you have a lot of people from Design Code that you can reach out to as well, but I'm happy to help you as well. Obviously, product management is cool too. Like, whatever you want to try, like, just do it, man. Like, right now you have a job, it's paying you, and you are getting by and everything like that. And in the meantime, on the side, you can like just look into things that you want to try out, and like slowly you'll make that portfolio. And I think because you already have like some connections, you'll actually pivot very quickly if design is your journey, or whatever it is, your journey. Okay, now I gotta show. So this is a bounty page. What I gotta show now on this bounty page is basically a specific bounty is shown. Like, for example, this is all of the bounties. When I click on this, I want a bounty to show up, and that's something I gotta work on. Yeah, exactly. The job lets you take it slow and like at your own pace, basically. Do you do anything else for fun on the side, or do you like get a lot of time on the side to like, you know, just hang out, explore the city, have fun and all that? Okay, then I actually really do like the way it is right now. Like this photo, I really like it. I think when I do join Polywork, I'm probably gonna have something like this. This one is mine, so I'm probably gonna have this one on Polywork. You've been doing judo? Oh my god, that's crazy. That's awesome. Oh man, now I don't have to worry about if someone messes with me. I'm gonna be like, yo, I'm gonna call Jacob. Ooh, 3D art and design, that's awesome. There's actually one person I would mention. She's actually started her Twitch streaming, and she does 3D art and stuff, and she's great. Melicitos. So this is her channel, so you could check her out, and she does like 3D design, 3D art and stuff, so that she would be really cool to look into as well. I mean, Aiden, you could just be a bot. Oh, she's been helping with Dutch. That's awesome. But yeah, Melicitos is awesome. Like, I'm sure she'll be a great person to look at, like, for the work and everything for 3D. I haven't really been able to join a lot of her streams, but she's an amazing person. Yeah, you'll actually really like, and I think she'll be able to answer a lot of the questions that you have. I'll be getting into 3D art like around the end of the year. Right now, like, my main priority is to like learn Webflow, app development, and also front-end web development, and then I'm gonna get into like art, 3D art, and all those things. Okay, I need some inspiration. I gotta check out Gitcoin, because I think that's like a good place to check out. Aiden, have you had a chance to check out Gitcoin? I don't know if like obviously it's just like another like funding thing. So I mean, it's no big deal if you haven't checked out. It's just something I'm slowly getting into. So this is how it's going. Let's see. Alright, let me take a screenshot of this and then I'll go from there. No, Khalil did not mention. I did talk to him about an idea that I had, but no, he hasn't mentioned me any idea for an app. No. Like I have a really interesting idea in mind for an app, and I really want to make it. Like if you actually Aiden knew how to make an app, like I would have probably said like, hey Aiden, let's work on it now. Oh, he wants you to make an app or something? Yeah, he hasn't said anything to me. But I know you've like talked about some app ideas which were interesting, like for example, that data transfer between like let's say a MacBook to a Windows or Windows to MacBook or from window to window, like at a long distance. You don't even know what it is. So like I'm really excited like for you to try those things out, and if they don't work, they don't work basically. Interesting. This is how they do funding thing. Interesting. I gotta make this somehow. So the problem with being like a new designer on like not a new design, but like the only designer on like a new team is like you have to actually like set up everything. Like there's like no guide or anything, or nothing like, oh, this is how it's done, you know. And so some problem that I have with that is like sometimes I'm just like, okay, where should I start, what should I do here, how do I go from here, you know, like I have a lot of questions like that sometimes. Ah, okay, he probably has an idea that he wants to talk to you about, I'm guessing. That's cool. That is awesome. All right, let's see. I'm just gonna copy this thing. Rebranding. Organization. I just got like 5 messages all just at once, I think. I think it was on Discord. Let me see. Oh, Jacob, also another cool thing is like the KarmaDAO is actually a team of UCSD folks. So there's a club on blockchain and stuff, and this is where this project actually like started from. And so they're actually from UCSD too. And Aiden, dude, that's completely fine. Like you don't have to be like nervous about it at all. Like what you do is amazing, okay? Like you have a lot of value, and backend is very hard. It requires a lot of work, and so like don't feel pressure or nervous about anything, like dude. Yeah, like don't feel that at all. Like we all are chill here, so like don't feel pressure at all, bud. And if you like ever need help with anything that I can do, obviously I'm happy to help you. I've already told you that multiple times, right? Right now I'm just like writing the things, and then I'll go from there. Like how do I present everything and blah blah blah, things like that. Okay, so basically if I go back to Medfi, these are the things we need. So we're probably gonna have a description, we're gonna have category. So let's just say we have these 3 categories, blah blah blah. We need categories. I'm gonna remove this. Okay, go. Hello, software developer with the mobile apps. Yeah, I think Flutter could be good for sure. You've mentioned Flutter before, and I've looked into that a little bit before. So Flutter would be good. I'm actually going to like definitely learn like Swift. I think that would be a necessary thing. I'm going to go by your recommendation on learning React as well. You've mentioned that before as well. What's Dart? I've never heard of Dart or Tori, so I have no clue about it. Just letting you know. Okay, let's see. How do they do it? So do they show reward? They do show reward as well. Okay, that makes sense. Obviously, they show reward. Gotta show reward. I gotta do something here. Okay, I think what we also mentioned is like React is good for finding jobs. Oh man, I am not even looking for like a job with front end. Even if I like learn it, I'm not looking for a job with it at all. It's just a skill that I'll use for myself and for like the projects I work with others. Like it's never something I'm gonna really use for jobs unless obviously I need to. But yeah, it's a skill I'm learning for other things, like not really for jobs. Let me see, what if I make this like a little bit, 7171, so that it's just like clear that, oh, you don't have to fill this in, like it's just gonna be filled automatically. Interesting. Like I understand that to some extent for sure. It's definitely interesting. Seems like a lot of work, to be honest, Aiden, like to like learn a lot of these for different frameworks and all that. I mean, what I'm even talking about, like even in design, there's like so many frameworks you have to learn, so it's just like normal now. It's better than Electron. I have no clue what Electron is, no clue what Rust is, but that's okay. I think like once May starts and I'm like in that headspace, like I'm actually gonna like learn about it fairly quickly. I wish I had like more time on this, like to actually understand this whole scene. Because right now what I feel like sometimes is like I'm just like working on it, but I'm still like so clueless on the project. That's something, it's not like a fun feeling at all. Welcome to framework hell. Yeah, I mean like if you do try to like learn design later down the line, like you'll see there's a lot of frameworks and a lot of different like principles and stuff you have to like learn, and so it's like normal to me now that anything has a lot of things that you have to worry about. I think if I did have like the actual time, I probably would do some research on this stuff, for KarmaDAO before even getting into like this stage of like designing, because right now I feel like I'm designing, but it's like it's not really that much, because I don't know a lot about it right now. I don't know how people would react to it or how people would think about it, and that's like the problem I have with this project right now. Like I really want to understand this before I even do it, to be honest. 1498. Yeah, sometimes I wing it too. Oh, that reminds me, have you like worked on your website at all? Okay, it's kind of like the same. I think the box is bigger here. I was checking that out yesterday as well, like just to see if you were like doing anything on it. Oh well, I do have the next 2-3 days to work on this, so I'm not really that worried about this project. Like I feel like eventually like I'll understand a lot more about this and like things would be fine. It's just like right now the way I'm feeling is like what is going on, like I need to understand this and blah blah blah. Maybe tonight I might try live streaming like gaming on stream. I don't know. Oh man, I need to get better sleep. Oh, League of Legends. Wild Rift on my iPad. I need to figure out like how do I connect my iPad to my computer. I do have an idea. It's just like my iPad has some problem. That's why I'm a little worried. And then other than that, it's like I can't charge my iPad while I'm streaming, so I have to like figure something out about that. I might only be able to play like 2 games or something like that. Yeah, League of Legends Wild Rift on my iPad. So I might like stream that. I don't know. Maybe I'll stream that when you're here too. One of the most toxic games. I mean, Wild Rift isn't that bad as like the PC version of League of Legends. It's a little bit better, I'd say. So yeah, it should be fine. It shouldn't be like a big deal or anything like that. Alright, so description, and then reward is there, categories there. I need to show info and need to do the share thing. Express interest. I need to show 2-3 things here. I need to show first of all share. Oh, I know it's the community. Yeah, like some people are very toxic, and sometimes I have a lot of people who just AFK or troll around the game, and it's just like it's just what it is basically. I've just played too many games on it that I don't care for the most part anymore. Would it be apply this? I wonder. So Gitcoin has written express interest. I think I want to write like snag bounty, something like that. I mean, snag might not work. What is a word that you would use, Aiden? Chill games like Minecraft. I might play strategy games. You never know. What is a good word that I should use here? Like for example, if I want to apply to, let's say, this bounty, and as like a person who's still, let's say, in college, like should I just say, hey, I claim this bounty? Like claim bounty, maybe something like that. Grab bounty. All right, grab bounty. Let me write down here ideas. Snag bounty, grab bounty. Okay, I'm just gonna write it this way. Grab the golden bounty. That might be a little too big. Claim bounty. I feel like grab is still not the right word that I'm looking for. I feel like for now I'll do claim bounty and then I'll go from there. So claim bounty, share, and I think I want to have the info of the requester. So I want to see that, but where should I show it? Let's see if they actually show it somewhere. It's just crazy how, like, you know, like, so basically all of these people have done the work on applying, right, for this what is called, this posting, and not everyone is gonna get paid. Only some of them are gonna get paid. Capture might be another interesting one for sure. I'm gonna put here capture bounty. But yeah, that's what's really, I guess, kind of like boils me inside, like, or makes me feel kind of sick inside, that a lot of these people are not even gonna get paid. Like they're putting in the effort and everything, but only some of them are gonna get paid, which really sucks to me. Like, makes me feel bad. Okay, so basically we need claim bounty, share, and we need the person's info, which is name, email, and website. I feel like the name is always gonna be there. I think additional info I could have. Ooh, seize bounty, okay. Seize. I think from these, like, claim bounty seems like the most, right? This project, are you talking about this one or the one that I'm doing? Which project are you talking about? The one on the web page or the one on Figma? Right, so claim bounty would be good, share button would be good, and also additional info would be good. I think additional info would be good here. Oh, so like this one, like, so not specific this one, but like some bounties on gitcoin.co. So basically, like, you can tell what type of project you want. You know, you could have like a contest, like this one is cooperative, so that many people would be paid, but like not all of them. So the contest is like many people like work, like, for example, they want something, right? This is the details that they want, and all of these people apply, but only one or two of them get paid. That kind of makes me feel sad, is what I meant. Like, because like most of them are doing the work, and like it's just like they're wasting their time, you know. Info about requester. I think I think additional information about requester might be the right way to put this. Regular. And then I want, exactly, it's a waste for most of the people's time, and that's the thing that kind of makes me feel sad for them. I feel like everyone should be paid who are working on it, you know? Like, yeah, like maybe the person who they like the most might get paid a lot more, but I think they should pay everyone who does put in an effort and all that thing. Like maybe make some minimum requirement, like this is something you have to minimum to get paid something, you know, and then like the person who wins gets a lot of the money, and that way it's kind of still fair for everyone, you know. Like I don't like the contest scene at all. Right, email of the requester is blah at blah.com, and then I think also the website. I have to show the website. I wonder if someone has this website, blah.com. I'd be very surprised if someone does not have this website. Exactly. Like that's what should the decentralization mean. You know, like, hey, I'm not gonna just pay one person. Like if I'm putting in a request, let's say I'm doing $500, right? I'll do maybe 300 or 400 for the winner, but the other money is gonna be split between all of the contributors, whoever applied and stuff. Like yes, if there's more contributors than that $100 is like less for everyone, but they're still getting something out of it. Okay, it says black.com is unreachable. But man, that is like so important thing, you know, like everyone should be paid. Like as long as they did some work and you can like see that they did do the work, like why not pay them? Because they did put in their time, and most likely they can't even put it somewhere like, hey, that I did this because it was a contest, you did not win, it doesn't matter, you know. That's kind of like the thing. I just find it's kind of stupid, not gonna lie. I'm gonna actually write this down because I feel like this is a very important conversation that someone needs to have. If we are doing contest, many apply and one gets paid. How does decentralization work? Awesome. Bye, Jacob. Take care, buddy. It was so good to catch up with you. And dude, if you need any help at all, just reach out to me and stuff. Like, I'm happy to help you whenever you need, okay? So happy I could see you again. You have a good one too. Yeah, exactly. They cannot be held accountable. But like, see, the contesting is going on for years and years, even before Web3, you know, like before Upwork or anything. Like I think there's like 99 Design that does this contest thing, and it's really hurting the culture. So yeah, it's really hurting the culture. So if we are really going towards a decentralized future, why not re-establish what contest means? Why not, yes, give most of the money to the winner who we select, but also give a share of that pie to the people who contributed, who did put in something, because they did put in their time. Yeah, they can see on the blockchain explorer. Sorry, what if most of the funding is for the winner, but part of the funding is distributed among the other contributors. I feel like if this happens, like this would actually change things for the better. Exactly. Contest. Just find that on Web3. Like I feel like people would actually appreciate this so much more, even if it's $10 that you get like for working that thing. It's better than $0, and it feels like, oh, you got something out of this. You know, it's not like they used you and like nothing happened and all that. I feel like this is such an important conversation that isn't really talked about at all. Exactly. You're a little bit richer at the end of the day, but yet things don't add up. For example, let's say I am just a student, right? And yes, I don't have too many things to show and everything. There's something I'm thinking about. If you're doing the contest at Web3, how does people running this now? Like, what if most of the funding is placed for the winner of this? Sorry. Exactly, like a student, right? Like let's say I'm not earning any money, but I still want to contribute. I still want to put in some effort. Let's say I design logos, right? Let's just say that, and I want to learn how to make logos, and I want to participate in this contest. But at the same time, I don't want to waste my time, you know. But if I'm applying to this contest, and let's say most of the money would be given to the winner, but even if I get $10 for the contribution I made, they didn't select mine, but I get contribution. That means, let's say I do 10 projects, $100. Like slowly things build up, you know, and that does prove to be something. And like you said, it could just buy a coffee or just one-time meal. And isn't that a big part of, you know, Web3, of decentralization, that, you know, allows you to do that? Exactly. Scam people like Aiden through that. Oh my god, that is so true. But I'm just thinking, if we keep that mentality, and this is what you have to think about, this is the new things that need to happen if you're really gonna make a decentralized place for everyone. Yeah, you really were scammed, dude, with that. Like, it was not good. Like, genuinely, it was not good. It was something like anyone could easily make. But at the same time, let's say you apply to the 99 design, and let's say you had $100. You put out $100. You put out $80 for the winner that you selected. But at the same time, $20 for the other contributors. Yes, they might just get, let's say, $1 each, but that's not. That's something that like zero. That's something better than zero. That's a parking ticket. Oh man. Second. I'm talking to the team like right now, like comment out him like, why not like think about this, like about taking a portion of this and paying the rest of the contributors. And I mean, one of the people thinks like, you know, it's just easier to build a contest thing and like, you know, get the funding and all that, and I agree with that for the initially thing. I think long term that this idea would definitely work that I'm thinking. I feel like if we're going the digital centralization route, we have to do it right. You know, we can't really half asset or like say like, oh, that this is necessary. Oh man, I mean, they're not gonna fire me. This is kind of like a startup scene, and also like, you know, that's why I choose the places I work at like very carefully. Like I want to make sure like my opinions are heard, or like I get to state the things I'm thinking as well. You know, I don't like to work at places where I don't get to have a say or even like talk about the ideas I'm thinking or the concerns I have, because this is very important to me to think about these things. And like the guy is pretty cool, like very chill. I sent the recruiter email today, actually today morning. So I'm guessing I should hear back within like a day or two. I'm sure he sent it to Zeta Chain over Slack by now. I'm not gonna worry about the colors right now, but this is what I'm thinking. There's like a few things going on currently that I'm like really thinking, okay, what should happen and all that. In terms of like job, I do have one or two different places that I'm thinking I need to talk further with people about. Yeah, things are moving slowly towards good places and all that. Okay, alright, so we have description, additional information, we have the reward amount, expiration. If there is any, I could probably, where should I even share expiration? Let's see, I don't think this one has expiration, right? So I think this is pretty cool the way they do this. Like when was it open, how much time is left, and all those things. I feel like for now I could probably just do like a one kind of thing, like project type. Oof. Okay, this needs to be reduced to like maybe 24, and this needs to be reduced to 24 too, and I might make this medium. Gotta highlight you more. So product type is this. I think it has to be bounty opened, and then the date 00000000 22. Product type is fine. Deadline none. And then product type is blah blah blah, whatever it is. But yeah, I'm excited about Zeta Chain. Like I told another friend of mine about Zeta Chain, and he also really liked Zeta Chain's concept and like what they're doing, and that gets me very excited as well. 1 11 2. So we'll see what happens. Let's just say bunny open on this, blah blah blah. These three are gonna be like smaller. They're probably gonna be the same size as Karma. Are you working on something right now, Aiden? Or are you like resting right now? 40, 40, 40. Right. I've actually like after finishing the portfolio, I've been playing a little bit more of like games on like League of Legends. Just like resting, relaxing and all that, because it was just like so much work, you know, to finish the case study. So I've like literally just been relaxing for the most part. I'm be kind of like, why am I not able to adjust you? That is so weird. Right now I can adjust you. Good. $134. And 14, and then you 58. Looking at your poly work, do you like poly work now? How much are you? 24. How is that possible? You don't even look 24. Honestly, they don't even look like 24. 20, 16, and I could do 16, 3. Yeah. Yeah, I just haven't checked polywork very extensively, so I can't really say, but it does seem better for sure, especially for creatives. It seems better. I also sent my portfolio and stuff to Cron today as well, so I hope I hear back from them like in a little while. And Fiona sent me a message. Give me 1 second. Okay. Mm. Awesome. Sounds good, Aiden. Thank you. Bye. I appreciate you as always.
Hello?
Awesome. I think I'm actually going to end the stream. Just give me 1 minute. I need to write something down for myself, and then I'll probably end the stream. Let's see. Awesome. I think I'm going to end the stream now. Let me see if there's someone on Twitch that I could raid potentially. I might just end this. Yeah, I'm gonna end this. Anyways, thank you so much for everyone for joining. I really appreciate all of you, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to message me. The reason I'm ending this a little bit earlier than I expected is because I have some things on my mind. I need to finish those things out, like, and I have some additional things that I don't know if I could share or not. So yeah, I'm going to end the stream now, and then I'm probably gonna stream tomorrow, and it's gonna be KarmaDAO stuff because I just gotta get some stuff done for it. But anyways, thank you so much, and if you have any questions, feel free to tell me. Awesome, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.